Now, where did I lose the picture at? Oh. If y'all don't see me anymore after today, I'll be busy getting Easter baskets made for my two great nieces. Well, I have need to make three because I have three great nieces, not two. So if y'all don't see me, you'll see me Saturday evening. I'll post Saturday evening, or if it's storming in the wee hours of the morning, I'll get up and stand at the door and take video of the lightning. Try to get lightning. I can't even see out here. It's too darn bright. We're expecting storms. Well, that's what the weather app says. It's supposed to start raining last night at 8 o'clock. It didn't even rain at 8 o'clock. So if y'all was wondering why there ain't no video, you'll know that I'm working on my great niece's Easter baskets. Creepy looking tree branch. No birds yet. But they've been eating more out of this one than they have that one. And I've got the bird bath put back up. The wind couldn't blow it. Somebody came through that darn gate at night and turned it over. Because if the wind would have turned it over that night of that tornado warning, when the winds was blowing, it would have knocked it over. It didn't knock it over. Okay, I'll shut up, y'all. I'm looking for birds. I just thought I'd tell y'all. If y'all don't see me, I'll be busy on Easter baskets, and I'll even post a short after I get one made. So I'll be working from daylight till not dark. If I could see that long. So I hope I may be back later. Come back out and see if there's any birds at the bird bath or the bird feeders. So if y'all like this video, please give it a like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching and listening.